Hi Doonieistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a requested video of what fits in my Dooney Bourke Rowan Satchel in the color Brown Tomorrow. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this cute little bag, then I will leave a link below so you can check out my first impressions and as well as some mod shots as to how the Rowan Satchel looks on the body. So if you are interested in seeing what fits in my Rowan Satchel, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I first want to say that I have really surprised myself and enjoyed carrying this little bag. I have taken her on a little mini cruise. I have taken her to run errands or shopping at the grocery store, and she has worked out perfectly. She's the perfect size for those little quick little in and out trips, and if you just like small bags, it is also perfect just for someone who doesn't carry that much stuff. So first, let me just go over some quick details of the Rowan Satchel. And as you can see, it is a smaller bag. It is a crossbody style bag, but it can also be carried satchel style. And it is coated cotton. As you can see, a little bit of texture to it, but for the most part, fairly smooth. And it's pretty much an indestructible type of material. It is coated, so it has a little bit of texture to it, but it doesn't scratch or it doesn't scrape or peel or anything like that. So this is actually the perfect bag for any type of weather. It has the Sierra leather trim, which is also a very durable and carefree type leather. You don't have to worry about spots too much or water stains or anything like that. So here on the front, it has the Dooney Bourke plate logo. It also has a braided zipper pull, which is another nice little touch. It has a detachable and an adjustable strap. It has about 4 holes here where you can adjust it longer to make it more of a long crossbody look. This bag does not have the 3 sections where you can take it out and make it as a short shoulder, but I also have a fix for that I will show you at the end of the video. It has these beautiful rolled and double stitched handles. Absolutely beautiful. She has 4 feet on the bottom, and she also has this nice little strip of leather that gives it another cute little additional touch, and I think it also helps to give the bag its structure. Okay, so now let's go on the inside. Pretty standard. We have a key keeper. Here you can see, though it is a small bag, it has lots and lots of space on the inside. It has 2 slip pockets on the front wall, and on the back wall it has a zipper pocket as well as another larger slip pocket. It has the Dooney Bourke patch, and it's just lined with the normal Dooney Bourke cotton interior. Very nice bag, you guys. I was actually surprised at how much I really enjoyed carrying this little bag. Okay guys, so now let's see what she can hold. So some of the items that I am going to attempt to pack her with are my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Tatum wristlet in the color saffron, my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium cosmetics case, my Chics Sparrow pocket size planner, my Dooney Bourke coin purse in the color caramel, my Bare Minerals translucent face powder, my large sunglass case, and my vintage coin pouch that I use to house my car key fob. So the first thing that I'm going to put inside is my Tatum wristlet. And I'm just gonna stick that. I like to load it from the back first. So I'm going to stick that there, and as you can see, it doesn't take up much room at all. And then I'm gonna go in with my small cosmetics case, and in here I just carry my essentials. I have my lip gloss, I have some hand sanitizer, lotion, I have some Lysol, and let's see, I have some antibacterial wipes, and let's see, some turmeric, and some other little stuff that I picked up from the health food store. So just my bare essentials. Okay, and then we're just going to put that right in front of the Tatum. As you can see, still plenty of room. And you guys, I am so sorry for the glare today. It's a nice day outside, so I wanted to do this outside. So here we go, lots of room. And then I am going to put in my Chic Sparrow little pocket planner. We can put that here like that. Still lots of room. And I can go in with my large sunglass case. I can put that either standing up like this, or if I rearrange some things, I can lay it down. And it still comfortably fits. And then I have my Bare Minerals face powder, and I'm going to put that in the smaller slip pocket. As you can see, that fits. And then I'm going to go in with my work badge and keys. I'm going to stick that right here in this pocket. It won't lay landscape. I have to put it in standing up, as you can see. And then I am I have just an iPhone 8 phone case, and we can slip that in the back pocket. And as you can see, that fits perfectly. And then I'm just going to put my keys on the key keeper. And since I pretty much have all of my slots filled, I'm just going to throw these on top like this. So as you can see, guys, this little bag holds a lot. There is not anything else that I could think of that I would want to put inside. I have my wallet, I have my cosmetics case that I have full, I have my little journal, I have a large sunglass case, and I also have my keys, my face powder, and my work keys. As you can see, everything in here fits very comfortably, and it still zips up nicely. And since this strap is detachable, I plan to actually switch it out with a strap that has the clasps on it, so I can just hook it here like this. And this is just a strap from off of one of my other bags that has the Sierra leather trim, and it made it more like a short shoulder. So it shortened the strap, yet still giving me some versatility to be able to adjust it here. Because when I carried it, I noticed that the strap that came with it is a little bit too long if I just wanted to carry it by the handles. This strap here is just a little bit too long. It hangs down a little bit low. So this one doesn't hang down as much. So anyway, guys, My overall review of this bag is a thumbs up. I would absolutely purchase this in other colors. They do make a pebbled leather version of this bag, but I actually prefer this Gretta pattern over that one. And again, though I'm not a signature person, the strap attachment on the pebbled version was a deal breaker for me because you had to attach the straps on the handles. So I think this is just a cute little fun bag for, like I said, when you're running errands or whenever you just want to go shopping or be hands-free. This is the absolutely perfect little satchel. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. And though I don't put water in my bags, alrighty then. Okay. So I guess we won't be seeing if a water bottle will fit. You guys, I knew it was going to happen one day, and I am so glad that it was just an empty water bottle and not any of my accessories that went flying over the edge.